You clicked on this video because you want to know or understand why your videos are not getting views, or how to get a lot of views. What kind of channel should I start? What should I do? I'm not getting views. My views get to pump and then it stop. Maybe it get to pump to 500 views, around 500. You guys, some people might experience this and it stop. Well, I will explain to you why and why you should not think too much, because what you think is not what it is. Well, first of all, you have to start by understanding your audience. You have to start by understanding what content do you want to make. You have to start by understanding, what am I gonna do that in the long run I will continue doing it, or in the long run I can quit my job and just keep on doing this because it's gonna help you financially. Because YouTube is a great place to make money, all right, in a very different way. I'm gonna talk about that later in other videos. So first of all, you have to understand what you want to do. So if I'm to ask you, think, what do you want to do? What kind of channel do you want to do? Do you want to do gaming channel, play games all your life? Do you want to start a comedy channel, be doing comedy? Do you want to start a tutorial channel and be doing tutorial? Now, I have never made such video like this, and you will not see me cut this video. I'm gonna talk straight because I love to talk a lot, and I'm gonna explain to you exactly what you need to know. Think about your audience. Think about what you want to do. Think about what is best for you, your time. Think about it first. That's the first thing you need. Don't just go and copy someone because you see someone making this video and you just want to do it. No. Think about yourself first. That's the first thing you need to think about. Think about how it's gonna impact you, impact your life. Is it good? Is it not good? All right. Then once you're done with that, before you click your first upload, you get to think about the video you are making, right? Now, that's the fun part. Some people just go there, record. Once they record, they just upload, and they think it's gonna boom and go viral. So now you might be asking yourself, because there is video, there is shorts, there is live stream, which one am I gonna do first? It depends on you, okay? It depends on you, it depends on your content. But which one is gonna grow me fast? What content is gonna grow me fast? Or what pattern of content is gonna grow you fast? Live stream is gonna go you fast. There's a pattern that you can use on live stream and you will get 1,000 subs in less than 2 days, or in 3 days, in 1 week or 2 weeks. I'm gonna tell you that, and I'm very serious about it, and I will show you guys. So think about the content you want to make. Once you come up with the idea of the content you want to make, then you come up with, how am I gonna make this content? Is this content really good? Because there are thousands of people, millions of people perhaps on YouTube that have channels and posting every single minute, seconds. You are about to compete with people that has been there before you. So you cannot just have your personal thought and you think that you can just get in the game and boom. Sometimes you get lucky, yeah, but if you want to be on the right track, that you know what you want, that you know the kind of thing you want to do, that you know what you want to achieve, you have to think. YouTube is not the rush. YouTube can make you have mental illness. I'm serious. Always looking at your analytics, it can make you get that. So think about the video you want to make. Have you? Right now, I want you to think about the video you want to make. Have you thought about any video you want to make? Now, what are you going to do first? What do you need to get first? A camera? A phone? What do you need? Think about all these things you need first. The tools you need, because you need them. All right, you need them. Now let's say you have everything fixed in place. Now you're making a video. Your first video should be a good hook. Why? Because your first video is the first video that got into YouTube, because it's the first channel. And then and now and at that time, YouTube start to analyze what this channel is doing. What is your channel about? Now, that's when uploading status comes in. One, let's go over to shorts. I'm gonna use short for example. Let's go over to short. Let me pick any video. Let's pick this video. Okay, now this video right here, let's go to the details. The title, the description, all right, the tags, and also one other text that is not here, that is hidden on YouTube, that most people don't even know about. I'm going to tell you that later on this video. So you need to have a good tag, a good description, a good title on your first video. Please, on your first video. It's gonna change, it's gonna have a huge impact in the whole channel. Some people don't know, but it's going to have a huge impact on your channel. Like, if you can see, I started this channel on the August of, I think, 26th last year, 2024. I don't even upload every single day. I upload once a week, and you guys can see from yourself a new channel hitting thousands of views, 19,000, 12,000, and it only has 344 subscribers. This channel is new. This is the lifetime of this channel. As you guys can see, it already got over 100k views in total. It started on August. You see down here, August. That's when it started. Now, you have the video ready, right? The video for me is not done yet because there's a lot of things you need to put inside that video that you have no clue that you are not doing, and even right now you don't even know about it. So you come up with a good title, good SEO title, good description. If you don't know what title to use, if you don't know what description to use, do not worry. I will tell you every single thing, including thumbnails. You guys can look at this video thumbnails, right? It looks really good, right? You might be asking, oh shit, you might be asking me, how did I get this thumbnail? How did I make my thumbnail look this good? I'm going to tell you every single thing. Most YouTubers don't even tell you how they make their thumbnails. They only tell you, have a good thumbnail, yeah, have a nice good thumbnail with good hook, but they don't tell you how to make the thumbnail. Even if you are a beginner, trust me, even if you don't know how to edit, you don't have to know how to edit to have a good thumbnail. I will tell you exactly how to get yourself a good, high quality thumbnail. You guys can see from all these videos right here. Tell me if this thumbnail are not good, right? Tell me if this thumbnail is not good. This is it's not clear here, but it's clear, right? Tell me this thumbnail is not good, right? But you might not know how I did it. I only spent, I think, a minute or 2 minutes, 3 minutes, or let me say less than 10 minutes to make this thumbnail, right? Very easy. I'm going to tell you everything. So now think about all these things I said first. Think about the video idea. Think about how you want to make up the video. These are the things you need to know first for the first time you're starting YouTube, right? Now, for those of you who have already started YouTube, who has already gone past this beginner stage that I'm talking about, I know some people have really gone far. So now, but still you are not getting views. I will make another video because this video is gonna upload 11 p.m. I'm doing a test run on this particular video to see if it's gonna work. I am making this video for you guys to see because every strategy, everything I'm telling you can work right now. It's working right now, but not tomorrow. It can be working tomorrow, but I'm not sure. But right now that I'm doing it, I want to be telling you guys because I know that it's gonna have a good result. Okay, you guys can already see, right? The lowest views I've gotten is 665 on short feed, while on the video I've only posted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 video. The lowest is 197. It's not bad for a new channel. It's not bad at all. Channel that doesn't have any audience at all. It's not bad. I'm gonna tell you every secret that most YouTubers know but they don't tell you, okay? But before I do that, I have to understand if you guys really want to know. If you really want to know, leave a comment down below. You can also leave in your channel name. I personally can just go look at it and see what you are doing wrong, and then I can pick up your channel and use it as an example on my next video. So I'm gonna leave this video for 2 days or 3 days. So the results it gives me, I'm gonna come back and tell you guys. So if you're lucky, if you're among the first person who pins his channel on my description, I will personally address what you are doing wrong on your video. Peace.